Let's take a look at the series Johnny Lightning put out called Lightning Speed, featuring the Racer's Edge racing wheels. There's the wheels. Yeah, they don't go as fast as some of the other stuff, but they're pretty smooth wheels. This, by the way, is a sticker. It comes in every single package. A sticker of Johnny Lightning, and then you know, we have a write-up on the Lightning Speed series. There we go. We'll show these quickly, and we'll show some really cool ones at the end. I believe they all have the same back on them. Yeah, they all have the same back. A lot of Johnny Lightnings had different stuff on the back, but this has the same. Nice El Camino there. I'm looking, but I'm not seeing where they actually say the name of the vehicle anywhere. It includes the bonus racing sticker, but nowhere does it say what the car is. So anyway, let's take a look at them. It's kind of weird. They would usually put that in somewhere. I mean, it's written on the bottom, but it's hard to see. Unless you get the light, the flashlight, and the magnifying glass out. That's a very cool casting. Another El Camino. Once again, these are stickers. And take them out and put them wherever you want. Actually, I got a couple right here that I took out of some of the cars I opened. And just normal stickers that are getting a little yellow right now, I might add. So those are what's inside of these. Oh, look at that car. That's very cool. Camaro police car with no markings except lights. I think that's illegal in a lot of states. Let's, I'll get to a couple trucks here that are very cool. This is an older model, obviously. But we got a couple really cool ones coming up here in the truck portion of the show from Lightning Speed. There we go. And a couple more. Let's first of all go with the Ram 1500. This is probably my favorite of the series, to be quite honest. I like the color. It's a nice flat paint on there, an off green. Very good details, very nice tires. Everything about this car is very cool. And then we have the Little Red Express Dodge, which is not really a Little Red Express. It's more of a gold one here, but once again, the truck portion of the series, Lightning Speed. Yep, same back on this one as well. So there's a quick look at the Lightning Speed collection from Johnny Lightning.